FoodMyDreams presents a recipe for zucchini pancakes cooked in a skillet. Take one medium-sized zucchini or courgette and trim off the flowers. Next, grate it coarsely. Squeeze out the excess juice and transfer it to a sieve for approximately 30-40 minutes. We need to get rid of the extra liquid because the less liquid we have, the less flour we'll need to add. Less flour means fewer calories and more benefits. Under no circumstances should you salt the zucchini until it's fully cooked, as it will release its juices during shaping and frying, causing them to fall apart. In a large bowl where we will mix everything, add your favorite finely chopped herbs. The herbs will not only add an extraordinary taste and aroma, but also decorate our pancakes with a beautiful green color. And of course, it's incredibly beneficial. Take a large-sized chicken egg that has been previously washed and beat it until it becomes a homogeneous mixture. Take about 30 grams of your favorite cheese and cut it into small cubes. The cheese will add an incredibly delicate, creamy taste and a special aroma. Also, add a handful of finely chopped walnuts to the pancakes. They will allow the flavors to unfold in a new way, adding refinement to what seems like a simple dish. After 40 minutes have passed, return to your zucchini. As you can see, it has released enough liquid and is ready to be mixed with the other ingredients. Add it to the rest of the ingredients and mix well, ensuring all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Add the beaten egg in 2 stages, thoroughly mixing each time. When the egg is fully incorporated, begin adding flour. I used 3 tablespoons, but pay attention to the consistency. As soon as you see that you can shape the patties, you don't need any more flour. Add the flour gradually, 1 spoon at a time, mixing after each addition. The key is not to overdo it, as too much flour will make the batter dense and add unnecessary calories. Heat the stove to medium heat. Add a little olive oil or other cooking oil, and spread it evenly across the surface of the skillet. Scoop the pancake batter onto the skillet and fry on both sides until fully cooked. The cooking time may vary depending on your stove, the juiciness of the zucchini, and other factors. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. See you next time on the FoodMyDreams channel, where you'll find a huge variety of tasty and beneficial recipes.